Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June the 6th, 2025. 5th. So we tried out seed snails this year and we planted a bunch of onion seeds in them. Now we've had to hold these for a while because we got a lot of rain, cold weather, we couldn't get in the ground. So some of these onions have it took their toll on them trying to hold them with everything that they went through. But we're going to get these unrolled here and see what they look like. If you look at the bottom there, you can see there are roots coming out the bottom. So we're going to get this unrolled here. Oh, they got nice roots on them. Yeah, go ahead and unroll it. Okay. I gotta stand up here.
Is it okay to just take this
Yeah,
off?
just unroll it. You just unroll them. Yep.
Okay.
So there you go. Really nice root systems on them. Now, the onions, some of these, they went bad only because of how long we had to hold them. It didn't have anything to do with the seed snails or anything like that. But we're going to get some of these planted here.
I'm not trying to be rude, I just have to take my time.
You're fine.
That's...
We're separating the good from the bad here.
I don't know about that one.
So the seed snails took up a whole lot less space than what the flats take, and we got a whole lot of seedlings out of them. We have a 10-20, sorry, we have a 10-20-20 fertilizer already mixed in with the soil. So I'm going to help plant these up here. We have a whole lot more stuff to do before more rain comes in. We really aren't looking forward to more rain, but they're calling for it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button on times I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and please have a nice day. Bye.